we're gonna find out how much stuff can fit in this bag. So they claim you can fit 26 liters of stuff in this backpack. I doubt that because it's incy-wincy and tiny. But before you, I have my must-packs that I take with me on any trip, ladies and gents. And I'll be pushing this bad boy to its limits, so let's take a look. First up, we have my VHS copy of Die Hard. Why would I leave home without it? Welcome to the party, pal. You're going in the bag. Then you're gonna have a little gaming on the go, my Nintendo Switch, so that's gotta go in the bag. However, I am partial to some retro gaming, therefore, my OG Game Boy comes with me wherever I go. That's going in the bag. Then if the battery's down on gaming devices, we need some light reading, ladies and gents. A biography by none other than Mr. Ron Burgundy. He wrote a hell of a book. Of course, it all can't just be playing games. I gotta work as well, and therefore the laptop workhorse has to come with as well. Then of course, you gotta have the iPad to watch something on the plane in case they've got crap movies, which they always do, ladies and gents. And just to make sure that plane doesn't crash, my lucky snow globe of Hogwarts Castle. Look at its majesty. You can almost see little Harry waving back at me in one of the little windows. Hey, Harry.
Leviosa.
Of course, to keep the visage looking this good, I'm gonna have to shave. But then again, I like to make money on the side, so maybe this is got some dinosaur DNA hidden down below, but that's for another video, but that's going in the bag. To make sure my devices never die, a big power bank, and all the little bibbies and bobbies and cables that come with it. These I'm actually gonna put in the EVERKI mesh accessory pouch so that none of my cables get lost. Naturally, your boy's gonna have his creatine on him at all times. Gotta keep the pythons fed. And thanks to EVERKI's brand new expanding technology that they probably reverse engineered from some UAP that crashed in the desert 50 years ago, your backpack can go from 18.5 liters to 26 in just a zip. And to drink my sweet creatine, a water bottle, par for the course. Then once I'm fully swollen, ready to hit the beach, I gotta have some eyewear. This will do nicely, thank you very much. Of course, I'm gonna have to pay for stuff for my trip. That's where the EVERKI wallet comes in handy. Pop your little debit card right in there, and it taps with its dark magic RF thing. It's sweet, I don't know how it works, but it uses the same RF dark magic in the passport pouch. So you pop your passport in there, beep, don't even have to take it out the pouch. And lastly, the most important thing of all, when night falls, I need to be packing my night vision goggles in case my enemies try to sneak up on me. That's a given, right? So there you have it, ladies and gents, the EVERKI Studio Expandable Eco Backpack. Don't laugh at its small size. It gets a whole lot bigger.